Let's walk through how to make your own reed diffuser. Here are the supplies you'll need. Frosted square reed diffuser bottle, eco base, reed diffuser base, meadow thistle, fragrance oil, 6 to 10 rattan reeds, gold collar, reed diffuser warning labels, funnel pouring pitcher, a scale, a spatula. Here are some additional supplies you'll need. Glass or fragrance safe container for fragrance oil, isopropyl alcohol, paper towels. Before beginning, make sure your materials and workspace are clean. I'm going to wipe down my workspace and tools with a bit of isopropyl alcohol and a paper towel, but you can use soap and water or a 5% bleach solution. To figure out how much fragrance and base you'll need to know the fill line of your container by weight. While we list the max fill line for all of the reed diffuser bottles we carry, you can choose a fill line that works best for you. For example, it can be a good idea to leave a bit of space in the diffuser if you'll be shipping them or adding a higher number of reeds. For this project, the Frosted Square reed diffuser bottle has a max fill line of 6.7 ounces, but I'll be using 6 ounces. To determine how much fragrance oil you'll need, use this equation. Fill weight times fragrance load equals the amount of fragrance oil you'll need. Here, I'll be using the meadow thistle fragrance oil, which can be used in diffusers up to 25%. Entered into the equation, it looks like this. To see all of the reed diffuser approved fragrances we carry, you can search using the fragrance finder tool linked in the description. Just be sure to double check the recommended amount to use for your particular scent. Now, just place a measuring container on a teared out scale and measure 1.5 ounces of fragrance oil. Step 2, measure your base. Now that you know how much fragrance you need, you can figure out how much diffuser base to use. Fill weight minus the amount of fragrance equals amount of base to use. The whole calculation should look like this. Place the funnel pouring pitcher on a teared out scale and measure out 4.5 ounces of EcoBase Reed Diffuser base. Step 3, mix your fragrance into the base. Pour the fragrance directly into the pitcher and make sure to take note of the weight. You'll want to make sure that the amount of fragrance and amount of base are equal to your fill weight. 1.5 ounces of fragrance plus 4.5 ounces of base equals 6 ounces of materials total. Side note, if you'll be putting a label on your diffuser, write down the fluid ounce measurement on the pitcher. Additionally, the liquid products will need to be labeled in fluid ounces and milliliters. Step 4, mix and pour. Gently stir the fragrance and base together until they are fully combined. Then, carefully pour the mixture into your diffuser bottle. This pitcher is great for easy, mess-free pouring, but you can also use a small funnel if you'd like. Once the diffuser is full, you can twist on the collar and add your reeds. Most reed diffusers use 6 to 8 reeds. I'm going to use 6 reeds here. The more reeds you add to the mixture, the stronger the scent. But keep in mind that a diffuser with lots of reeds will not last as long as a diffuser with fewer reeds. I recommend switching out the reeds about every 2 to 3 months. If you don't want to use the reed diffuser right away, you can put in the stopper before securing the collar. This will seal the diffuser for later use and allows for easy transport or shipping. Step 6, finishing touches. Finally, you'll want to make sure that you include a warning label for your diffuser. You can place it on the bottom of the bottle before you pour in your mixture or after if you use the stopper. For a clean, professional presentation, package your finished diffuser in a retail box. It's an easy way to elevate your product and make it retail or gift ready with minimal effort. Customize with branding, labels, or ribbon for a final touch. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a beautiful, functional home fragrance product that looks great and smells even better. And if you'd like to learn more about flameless fragrance options, you can head over to CandleScience.com.